Today is October 3rd and I'm starting off this my workout journey again. So this is a weight loss journey. I'm not a fitness coach. I'm just a regular mom trying to lose my body fat, mostly my stomach. That is where I want to really lose the weight. And today I'm at 90 kg. So that's it. I'm going to be doing this workout. I saw this workout on Pinterest. Yes, I saw it on Pinterest. So I'm going to be doing the workouts today. I'm going to be doing the workout anyway. I'm going to do it as a challenge. I'm going to do it for 30 days straight. So this is the workout I'm going to be stepping on. It just looks like a stand-up match, but the essence of this share is to give you how up you can raise your legs. If I'm not doing this with the share, I might not be raising my legs up like this because it's kind of painful. So I saw this on Pinterest and I decided to hop on the challenge and do it for 30 days to see if there will be any changes. So here now, I'm doing each move 50 50 times. Yes, that's what I'm doing. Each of the moves, I'm going to be doing it 50 times. That is what you see me do here. My chair would have fallen down because I was trying to, get the hang of this workout. If I want to raise up my leg will be kicking the chair, and I even wanted to fall down at some point. So this one is the second move. Yeah, it's basically the same thing. I've seen so many people, talk about stand-up match and how it has really impact in their life, the good it did to their weight loss journey. Some people do stand-up match, they carry weights, some people carry dumbbells, kettlebells, just apply weight, hold it straight over your head and, be stepping at a place. I believe it's going to work. I've seen people do that. I've seen some weight loss journeys, before and after, and I believe it works. So this thing you see me doing here, it looks like a stand-up match. It's just the same thing with a stand-up match. I might be twisting this daily. I might not be, be doing the hands like that. I might just carry my dumbbells. As you can see, my dumbbells are there. I might just carry my dumbbells and be doing exact the same thing. This is just a stand-up match. And you can see this place I'm holding now, that is the where the thing is paining me. That's where the thing is paining me now. So it's not easy. And if I'm not doing this with this shape, believe me, I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not going to be raising my legs as high as this. It's because of this shape. That's why I was able to be raising my leg this high. And as I'm doing it, I'm also engaging my core. What does engaging your core means? It means just for me to tighten my stomach as if I want to wear a tight jeans. If you want to wear a skinny jean and you're breathing in to allow the zipper to close, that's just it. I was just breathing in, engaging the core as I'm doing this workout. So that's it. I just hope it works out for me. Wish me luck. This is my weight loss journey. My name is Nkiruka, and if this is your first time of seeing my video, if this is the first video you're seeing me, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Nkiruka. I do my girls hairstyle. I also work out, to lose weight. When I started working out, I was weighing 100 kg, but I wasn't calculating it. I knew that I was weighing 100 kg because I've already checked that on my scale and I know that I was weighing 100 kg. Then I did this 30 minutes steady walking. I did it for like 1 month or 2 months. I was doing it every day and I was live streaming the workout. So that workout alone took me down by 10 kg. But I didn't realize that until this morning that I just checked my kg and I was at 10 kg. I was at 90 kg, which means I reduced by 10 kg. Something to be grateful for. I'm not seeing it physically on my body like this, but if I wear clothes, yes, I used to see it on my clothes. If I wear clothes, I noticed that it's kind of loose for me. So here I'm practicing stomach vacuuming. Now, this is what I said, that if you just engage your core, this is practically how I engage the core. As if I want to wear a skinny jean and I want to, zip up the jean trouser. That's why you always see me putting my hand as if I'm zipping up my trouser. It's just for me to be able to engage the core. And I'm just doing it. I don't have a particular time frame. I'm just doing it as long as I can hold it. That's what I did here. I didn't know if I was up to 30 seconds, if I was up to 1 minute, I don't know. But what I was doing is that I was just going to engage my core and hold it as long as I can. That's what you see me do here. If you see me putting my hand like this, I'm doing as if I want to, zip up a tight jeans so that I can be able to engage the core. You can see the fats, the excess fats that I need to remove from my stomach. If I engage my core like this, you can see it perfectly. That this particular place that you see bulging out front here, there needs to, I need to get rid of those ones. So that's why you see me exercise. That's why you see me working out, sweating, trying to see if I can be able to get my body back. It is not easy, honestly. It is not easy. I also tried intermittent fasting and all that, but it's not easy. But I hope this one will work out for me. As I'm going to be doing it, I'm going to do it 30 days challenge. Then after the 30 days challenge, I might still continue, but let me just do 30 days challenge. So this is me trying this stomach vacuuming, deep, some people call it deep breathing. Yeah, that's what you see me doing here. It's not easy, and I'm even sweating. Hey Jesus, this is not easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace and love. See ya.